Okay guys, in this video I want to cover real quickly, this is a new playlist that I've just created because I've been talking about your media press kit for a long time and I haven't in a lot of my videos, and I've just never really gotten down to go, hey, this is how you build one, this is why you build one, and this is what you put into it. So sorry, I've got a lot of things going on, and I just want to be able to give everything we can to make sure that each one of you get the absolute maximum optimum results from going through this entire process of being published. And you've got so many tools, but this may be entirely new for you. And so when I say, hey, just make sure you put all this together and build a press kit, and that may go, what the heck is a press kit? Okay, it sounds like it's something that's out there somewhere. There's probably a way to do it, and probably if you went and dug for it, you could figure it out like I do. But I want to give you this and make it absolutely easy and compressed so you can jump in there, do it, make it look awesome, and how to do it. Okay, so first of all, there's a couple of videos that are after this that will actually show you how to do everything. I love going out and getting third party to actually do this, because these are individuals that this is either what they do all the time or they're really good at doing it. And so being able to watch what they do can give you a really compressed learning period of time, run you through that learning curve, show you the insights, tips, and tricks, what to do, what not to do. So I put 4 of them together here from 4 different individuals that are related. Either the first one I really like because she shows you exactly how to go to Canva, which is a free account that you can go set up. I've recommended that you use this before, whether you're doing posters or banners for Facebook or posters that you want to put out there for your social media, where you can take the image of your book and import it and then add other cool stuff to it. It's how I build mine, and it's a free account and it's really good to do. It's super user friendly, so it's not something you have to go into like like Adobe or something like that you need to have some type of degree certificate just to turn the app on. Okay, so Canva is the way to do it. So you watch these individuals. They're super awesome at helping you with setting up like a press kit as an influencer. Okay, and that's what you are. The second lady that's going through her program, she's going to actually do, let's see if I give you, let's see. This is actually from Sidewalker Daily, and I really like her because what she is an expert at is helping individuals go from zero to hero as in the influencer environment, okay? And so I love her, and of course her channel has got a ton of content on it, and I really don't want you to get sidetracked and go down the rabbit hole, because she's doing an entirely different concept on how to use influencer. But I wanted her to give you the framework of the biggest mistakes that you make when you're going out there and creating a media kit. So what not to do, okay? Matt has his social media, social domination program that already works, and he's got 700,000 influencers. And I don't know how many Sidewalker Daily does, but no one usually gets up in the range of Matt. So his expertise in how to use social media is, par excellence, I think is how you say that if I spoke French correctly. What I'm trying to give you is in the scope of not how to go build a social media environment, because Matt's already given you that in social domination and an influencer, and it's specifically keyed on how to work this in the direct mail, network marketing, and entrepreneurial environments, okay? Now, what this that I've given you here is specifically in a very narrowed scope of the media kit and how to do it and what not to do, okay? Then there is a third one here. She is writing with Jenna, and why she's got answers. Why do writers need a press kit? Okay, well, bingo, she's got to answer that for you. So instead of me doing it, let her answer it. And then the last one is coming from book launchers. And I have looked at this lady here, really good. They are for individuals that are doing publishing for profit, not publishing for promotion. Okay, we do the second, publishing for promotion. So publishing for profit, these are individuals that are trying to take their book and make money as that is their core and sole business, okay? So I don't recommend that, because it's a distinguishing different model, and it'll get you off the scope of what we have helped you build, which is publishing for promotion. But what I love about her is her author media kit, and how you can look at her examples and how she has helped her authors that she actually promotes, and that becomes their full business, getting to see how she's already done it and how you get a really quick learning curve. So those are the 4 that I'm giving you here. What I will talk about here real quickly is the the why of the press kit. And the why of the press kit is really that you have this asset now, and it's designed to get you both offline and online, get you booked for events. Okay, that's my cool way of EVENTS. Okay, events. So whether that is becoming a presenter or a trainer on major Zoom calls or multiple Zoom calls, whether it's doing life coaching type stuff, whether it is being a speaker on an event when those become popular again, where you'll be on a platform stage and have an audience around you, or whether it's getting on television, getting on radio, getting on some type of podcaster that is probably online as well. All of these are going to want a kit. Okay, so what have we already given you at this stage that you can go and watch these videos, understand what to do, what not to do, how to construct it using, for instance, like Canva as a great tool to put it all together, make it look super sharp. And what do we have here that's already in your backpack that we have given you? Okay, first of all, if you're watching this video, you're getting toward the end of your stage, so you're probably at the point of press releases out, book has launched. Okay, so it's available on Amazon. So you're at the point of actually videoing your video and taking pictures of your actual book box opening. Okay, very important to capture that. The second one here is the final interview, which is the 15 or so minute interview that I do at the very, very end of everything, at the end of the publishing pipeline. That's the very last step. That means that you've got your book, you've already have the books in hand, so you've done the book box opening, your press release is out, and you've already done your book launch, okay, whether that's online or offline, and it's time for us to do our final interview. Okay, so you have that is a YouTube link. You've got images, both pictures and videos here of your book box opening, very important. You've got your press release, okay? You've already got that back, so you'll be able to actually take that. It comes to you through Process Street when it is actually launched and out there. And you're going to have your PDF of your book chapter. That's just your front jacket of your book, but it's in a PDF format, and just your chapter. It doesn't have the rest of your book, but this is just to put in front of individuals that you are saying, hey, I'm ready to be a speaker. I'm ready to be someone that works at your event online and offline, and here's how professional and how organized I already am. Let's see, what else? Oh, your Amazon link, because you want to be able to have that so they can check you online. Click on it, boom, there's your Amazon account. Yep, you're for real. And let's see, Linktree. Linktree is the new thing that we're using right now to put that one link in there that takes everybody to all of your links, okay? So it's a one link that you can put out there. Mine is Linktree, so it's linktr.ee/Steve_Moreland. So I can put that out there. I can put it up on a presentation. I can put it as a link at the bottom of whatever. And what it does is it takes everybody to one single page. It's a free account. And we have a video on this that also explains how to set up your own Linktree account. And when you have it, it allows you to, for any time in the future, to go back in there and rearrange. I have my Amazon link on there. I have my personal development site, Rubicon. I have my book site on there, which is Beyond Success with SteveMoreland.com. I have my LinkedIn, my Instagram, my Facebook, my YouTube channel. Okay, so I've got all those links in one place. The beautiful thing is you don't have to list all those. You give one, which is Linktree. Here's my Linktree account. When you go to my Linktree account and you click it, you can put that on your ebook, you can put it in email, and guess what? Bingo, everybody comes to that hub, and then they can decide how they want to interact with you. Beautiful. So that's what Linktree is. And the last thing you have is your book jacket images. So you're going to have, I believe it's a JPEG or a PNG file that'll have your front cover, which will be just your front cover only, okay, like this. Then it will have like a 2D version of front and back, and then it'll have a nice kind of three-dimensional version that will look really sharp as well. So you want to include all that. So this is everything that you already have. So what you will do is take all of this and put it together in your own format. Now, the reason why we let you do this is because this is where your style really comes in, okay? So when you go in and you watch how to construct this through Canva, or you may just decide to go into Microsoft Word and put all this in a document, maybe just listing all the link as bullet points, giving a little summary at the top of it. All that is cool and fine, okay? But this is where your style really comes in. And this is why we've given you all of these tools, and we give them to you. They're handed to you. They're all links. They're all prepared now. What do you want to do with them, and how do you want to use that? Now, that's what you get to choose. That's how you get to decide it, and it gets to have your flair, your color, your theme, you know, whatever images that work for you, video, whatever. Bingo. That allows you to have it, and it also gives you control of this media press kit for any time in the future. Because what's going to happen as you continue to be an authority, you're going to get more and more options with people coming to you, and so you're going to create things that are bigger and better. You're going to add more things. Eventually, you're going to have pics of you being on a platform, or you're going to have images of you doing this or that, being on, you know, training on some national, international training call. All those things are things that you need to capture. Why? Because they become part of who you are. It's your new identity as an authority figure. You put all these together, create photo montages. And so the last thing I'll give you is, if you get to the point where you're like, okay, Steve, I love all this. We've got all this asset, but my God, man, I'm just so busy doing everything that I'm already doing right now, and I'm not really good. I don't want to jump in and learn a new program like Canva. What do I do? Okay, so I would go to FIVERR, F-I-V, is it F-I-V-R-R, FIVERR, or F-I-V-E-R-R, FIVERR, or that's probably the best place I would go to, and just look at some of the individuals in there. Just type in that you're looking for a media press kit, and you'll get all kinds of bids from people that this is all they do. It's their niche. So all you do is you give them all of this content, all the links and everything. You upload it to them, and I don't even know what the price is. I'll probably do one after I do this video just on me, just to see what it is. But I'm going to guess it's probably $20, $30, $50, whatever you want to do. And you're going to get some really creative, artistic people that have just really good visual ideas and mindsets. And they're going to put something like that together for you. And it's going to just really, bam, it's going to pop, okay? So that's the ultimate resource, but I always like to give it to you at the least expensive that you can start off with, using our kit, and or using everything that we've given you, but creating your kit and going from there, okay? So over time, as you get experience doing this, then what we'll do is we'll end up featuring one of you on some of our future Q&A calls, and you can tell us what process you went through, what you liked, what you didn't like, what you learned from it, what you do different next time. And so please give me your feedback along the way as you do these as well. So always enjoy spending time with you. To your success. We'll talk to you soon.